Hello, we are here in a residential home doing a full restoration. You can see this is a little bit of house soil. You're talking like 3 or 4 layers of soil, just doggy oils. Now we already sprayed on our pre-treat, a little cocktail of everything, and now this is the cleaning agent with another deodorizer, and it's just brightening up the fabric. But if you would have saw the complete before, which it would have taken too long to film, there's no way to do it. But this is how the color's coming up on this. But so this is the upholstery. We're in Ballackinwood doing some residential home, and the lady had a whole mess of dogs and cats, and so we just restored pretty much all our upholstery for her. And this fabric was basically like black. You couldn't even see the purple in it. It was that soil with doggy soil. You can see this is actually not been extracted yet. This still has a little bit of maybe a layer of soil on it, but so that's basically it. It's a full restoration. Pet standing odor, doggy oil. We hit the arms really good. You know, we'll get the arms or soil with, you know, just the body oils. So give us a call, www.navescleaning.com. We do all your hard and soft surfaces, cleaning and restoring all of them, commercial and residential.